It's good to have you back for more fun on Winnie the Pooh and Friends Nature Trail. We've got 2 fantastic Winnie the Pooh stories for you to listen to. And there are songs and games as well. Let's get started by reading your little storybook called Hunt for a Haycorn. When it's time to turn the page, you'll hear the sound of the bell like this. So open your book and turn to the beginning of the story. It was lunchtime. Piglet looked in his food cupboard. "Just 1 haycorn left," he said. Piglet nibbled the haycorn slowly to make it last, but it was soon gone. So Piglet took his basket and set off to collect some more acorns in the woods. He looked under every acorn tree, but he couldn't find a single acorn anywhere. Piglet even peeked into a squirrel's house. "You've run out of acorns too," he said. "There are no acorns anywhere," said Piglet. "Perhaps Kanga can help me out." Kanga didn't have any acorns, but she gave Piglet a slice of yummy cake instead. "It's very nice," said Piglet, eating a little piece. "But it's not the same as a acorn." So Piglet asked Tigger if he'd seen any acorns. "Yuck! None here," said Tigger. Piglet sat down, feeling sad. "Perhaps Pooh can cheer me up," he thought to himself. Piglet knocked on Pooh's door. "Hello, Piglet," said Pooh. "What perfect timing." "Perfect for what?" asked Piglet. "For your surprise," said Pooh, leading Piglet inside. As Piglet stepped into Pooh's kitchen, his nose twitched. He said. "Haycorn pie!" cried Piglet. Pooh had collected all the acorns for Piglet. Piglet tucked straight into the pie. "Hooray for acorns! Hooray for Pooh!" he cried. The end. My goodness! Piglet had to travel all around the 100-acre wood looking for acorns. So now it's time for you to travel all the way over to your magazine and pick it up and open it to Pooh's World. That's the page with a picture of Winnie the Pooh in the corner. And this time, it's all about getting about. The friends are all imagining new ways to get about. What is each friend doing? Which would you like to try out? Let's have a look at what the friends are up to. And just for fun, let's play a pointing game while we're at it. I'll read the words that go around the page, and you see if you can find everything. Let's play. Spot a carrot aeroplane flying high. honey pot balloon in the sky. A big toy train traveling fast. A comfy cloud drifting past. Teaspoon oars to row a teapot boat. And a pencil raft, only just afloat. What a lot of funny ideas those friends have dreamed up. Which one would you like to try? Go on, say it right out loud. Great! And if you like to pretend as much as Pooh and his friends, you are going to love this song. But first, you have to stand up and pretend you're all of the animals we're about to sing about. Just be careful you don't bump into anything. Here we go. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? First things first, let's wiggle like worms, lie down on the ground and start to squirm. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Now sprout legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like a baby crawl across the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? Now stand up straight, how do you do? You can hop like a kangaroo. Hop, 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 hop. Pretend you're a great big whale, splashing tiny boats with your great big tail. Big splash, big splash, big splash, big splash. Pretend you're a bird way up in the air and flap your wings to stay up there. Flap, 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 flap. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? Well done! You did some fantastic pretending there. Now let's find out a bit more about how real animals move about. So, go back to your magazine and turn the page to rabbit's tails. There are 8 little pictures here of different animals on the move. Follow along now, looking at the pictures while I read the words. The bird flaps its wings up and down, flying through the air. The fox runs across the ground, trotting from here to there. The frog crosses the lily pads with a little jump and a hop. In the water, a fish swims about, swishing its tail non-stop. The squirrel scampers and climbs up trees, holding on tight with its feet. The caterpillar wriggles along to find a new leaf to eat. The scaly snake slips and slithers its way from place to place. Slowly Rabbit walks along. There's no hurry. It isn't a race. Good work! Was that really 8 pictures? Let's go back and play a little counting game, just to make sure. I'll say the animal, and you call out the number. Are you ready? Bird. Fox. Frog. Fish. Squirrel. Caterpillar. Snake. And rabbit. Well done. There will be plenty more things to do and songs to sing coming along soon here on Winnie the Pooh and Friends Nature Trail. So don't go away. Are you ready to have even more fun with Winnie the Pooh and all his friends? Good. Then get your magazine ready to turn the page. And again. And again. Until you find Kanga and Roo's read-along. The story is called Tigger's Tire. I'll read the words, and you can follow along and read the pictures. One morning, Roo spotted Tigger rolling a tire through the woods. Is that tire for a bicycle? Asked Roo. No, said Tigger. Is the tire for a truck? Asked Roo. No, said Tigger. Is the tire for a boat? Asked Roo. Boats don't have wheels, said Tigger. Is the tire for a car? Asked Roo. No, keep guessing, said Tigger. I know, said Roo. Rabbit needs the tire for his wheelbarrow. Tigger laughed. I better show you. Now they had reached his house. Tigger hung the tire from a rope. It's for a swing, he said. And Tigger let Roo have the first go. Woo-hoo! The end. Can you tell me what shape a tire has? It's round. And here's something else that's round. The wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The children on the bus stand up, sit down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus stand up, sit down all day long. All right, this is our stop. Everybody off the bus. It's time to go back to your magazine now and pick it up. Then turn back one page to Christopher Robin's Nature Walk. You'll see a picture here of a bird with a very pointy beak. It's a woodpecker. And that means it's time to play Winnie the Pooh's Nature Quiz. Get ready to answer. Question number 1. Which of these sounds is a real woodpecker? Is it sound number 1? Sound number 2? Or sound number 3? Well, the answer is sound number 1. That's the sound of a woodpecker pecking wood. That's how it got its name. Now for question number 2. I'll say 3 reasons why the woodpecker pecks on trees. And you tell me which one is not true. Listen closely. Reason 1. It pecks on trees to find bugs to eat. Reason 2. It pecks on trees to dig out a nice hole to live in. And reason 3. It pecks on trees to write its name in the bark. Which one is a wrong answer? Did you get it? It's reason 3! Now it's back to the magazine. And time to turn the page again. And again. And again. Until you find the page, Owl Finds Out. This time, Owl is finding out all about chimpanzees. Look very closely at picture number 4. The one with the baby chimp on the big chimp's back. And see if you can answer. Question number 3. Do chimpanzees have tails? Yes or no? Do chimps have tails? Take a guess. The answer is no, they don't. And that's the end of Winnie the Pooh's Nature Quiz. That leaves just enough time for you to pretend you're all of those funny animals in our brand new song, Here We Go. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? First things first, let's wiggle like worms, lie down on the ground and start to squirm. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Now sprout legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like a baby crawl across the floor. Crawl, 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 crawl. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? Now stand up straight, how do you do? You can hop like a kangaroo. Hop, 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 hop. Pretend you're a great big whale, splashing tiny boats with your great big tail. Big splash, big splash, big splash, big splash. Pretend you're a bird way up in the air and flap your wings to stay up there. Flap, 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 flap. Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? Here we go, 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 on the land and air and sea. Here we go, 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 won't you come with me? I hope you enjoyed our little stroll down Winnie the Pooh and Friends Nature Trail. Goodbye.